Okay, let's go over how to draw a Lionel face from Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. There's these really cool things called Lionels, and I want to go over how to draw their face. They're like these lion creatures. So we're going to go through it step by step, and it should be simple, okay? So follow along. Okay, I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a line for kind of the top of the nose area. Line over here for the eye. All right, curve here for the top of the nose. Down here, pull up for just kind of that nose angle there. Down over here, up, that lion nose. All right. You're down. Curve underneath, up, down. Curve along the side. Line down here for the nose. Let's go over here to this eye. Flat across. Line over here. Curve. Curve over here. Bag under the eye here, bag under the eye. Zigzag here for a scar. He's going to have a scar on his cheek. Line down here for kind of the teeth here, and then a line across here for the mouth. And I'm going to draw a zigzag for some sharp lines there. If you play Breath of the Wild, let me know. I'm playing that a lot right now, so let me know if you're playing that as well. The Breath of the Wild is an awesome, it's an amazing game. It's been around for like obviously years, but they're gonna have a sequel soon, and I'm just playing a bunch of it right now. Line over here for the iris and pupil. Over here. Line over here as well. Up, up. Line over here on this side for the eye. And on this side, we're going to have a horn, though, because there's horns coming from his head. Line up. Curve. Line over here. All right, that's one horn. Going to go over here on this side. Pull a curved line. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be drawing all kinds of bad guys, video games, anything scary, creepypasta. Just give me ideas, and I will absolutely do it. So hit the subscribe. Make this the video you subscribe in, okay? And, you know, it'll be awesome, all right? Go over here, out, up. Down over here, curve back. Okay. He's got a hairline pretty low over here. Like his hairline goes way down. Curve, curve. Curve over here. Over here as well. It's going to go right up to his face over here. Like the hairline around his face. Okay, it's going to be like shrouding in. And let's go to the outer edge, right, of this lion, this lion face here. So we're going over here. Let's say the outer edge is out on that side. Up over here. Up over here. Right, it's going to go all the way out a little bit here. Very lion-like, big, big, big mane. Curve right here. So it's like really like shrouded in hair, the whole thing, right? We never really let to look at these guys. They look like centaur lions. That's pretty much what they look like if you played the game. And so I'm just going to draw their face because I thought their face is really cool. Curve line, curve line. Curve over here. Going down, and actually as it goes down, it's going to be tied over here. It's going to be tied at the bottom like a ponytail. All right, so main area over here. Then we go down. Like so. And that's kind of mostly the face shape right there. He's going to have like shoulders, which we can have come out over here. And we can have like like some kind of armor over there on that side, but that's not really important, you know? It's important is this area, the face. So maybe we could throw like a shoulder here on this side. We don't have to, but just to kind of have it there. Let's go over here and draw thin lines in the direction coming outward, right? It's radiating outward like a sun, right? But not a ton of lines, just a bit. Alrighty. And there you go. That's a Lynel from Breath of the Wild. Really interesting creature. Hopefully you've played it if you're watching this. If you haven't, go play Breath of the Wild. I'm gonna fill in the nose here just to give it more oomph. And maybe get a little dark here at the brow area. Right on. And there you go. Thank you so much. That is a Lynel from Breath of the Wild, okay? I will talk to you next time. If you want to see any other like Zelda monsters or anything like that, talk to me soon, okay? See you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.